Hello and welcome. I'm SM, your guide on a breathtaking journey across India's wild landscapes. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the lush Western Ghats, we'll discover some of the world's most beautiful tropical birds, brought to life in stunning 4K claymation. Settle in and let's explore the vibrant world of Indian avifauna. Our adventure begins now. In the dry forests and fields of India, the Indian peafowl reigns as a symbol of grace and beauty. The peacock's dazzling train, fanned in a spectacular courtship dance, is both a display of health and a bid for the peahen's approval. After mating, the peahen nests in seclusion, while the peacock's vibrant dance continues across the plains. High in the Himalayas, the Himalayan monal dazzles with its kaleidoscopic plumage, a living rainbow against the rugged slopes. The male's brilliant display signals his strength in this harsh environment, while the camouflaged female seeks a mate who can thrive in the mountains. Here, color is survival, and the monal is the jewel of the Himalayas. Descend into India's dense forests and listen for the Indian pitta's sharp two-note call. This shy, jewel-toned bird flashes electric blue and scarlet as it hops through the undergrowth, searching for insects. The pitta's vibrant colors help it blend into the dappled forest floor, making it a hidden gem of the monsoon season. Its brief, brilliant displays are a secret treasure of the Indian wild. Look up. Soaring gracefully through the emerald rainforest canopy is the magnificent great hornbill, one of the largest and most striking birds in the jungle. With its impressive wingspan and powerful flight, it glides effortlessly above the treetops, a true symbol of the wild forests of Asia. This giant is instantly recognizable by its bold yellow and black bill, topped with a prominent casque, a hollow structure that amplifies its calls and adds to its dramatic appearance. Great hornbills are more than just beautiful. They play a crucial role as seed dispersers, feasting on a variety of fruits and spreading seeds far and wide as they move through the forest. By traveling miles each day in search of food, these birds help shape the very landscape of the rainforest, ensuring new trees can grow and thrive. During breeding season, the female hornbill seals herself inside a tree hollow using mud and fruit pulp, creating a safe chamber for her eggs and future chicks. While she remains hidden away, the devoted male tirelessly brings her food, passing it through a narrow slit, caring for his mate and their growing family until the chicks are strong enough to emerge. The great hornbill's story is one of strength, remarkable partnership, and deep connection to the forest they call home. Their survival ensures the future of the rainforest, making them true guardians of this vibrant, living world. In the lush wetlands of India, the painted stork brings a delicate splash of color to the water's edge, standing out with its elegant presence. These graceful birds are often seen wading quietly through the shallows, their movements gentle and purposeful as they search for food. The tranquil setting of the wetland comes alive with their vibrant hues, making them a true highlight of these habitats. With a striking white body, pink-tipped wings, and a long, bright yellow bill, the painted stork is unmistakable. It sweeps its bill through the water in a graceful arc, skillfully catching fish and other small aquatic creatures. Their feeding technique is both fascinating and efficient, a testament to their adaptation to wetland life. These social birds gather in large colonies, building their nests high in the treetops above the water. Their gatherings are a spectacle of grace and subtle beauty, with dozens of storks tending to their young and interacting with one another. The sight of a treetop colony is truly unforgettable. Painted storks play a vital role in the wetland ecosystem, helping to maintain the delicate balance of life. As both predator and prey, they are a living link in the chain of life, connecting the many species that call these vibrant wetlands home. In the heart of the Western Ghats, the air is alive with the constant lively chatter of the blue-winged parakeet, also known as the Malabar parakeet. Their calls echo through the dense forests, creating a vibrant soundscape that is unmistakable to anyone who visits these hills. Males are especially striking, flashing brilliant blue and green feathers as they dart swiftly through the leafy canopy. Females, equally charming, move with playful energy, weaving through the branches and interacting with their flock in a display of social harmony. These highly social parrots gather in groups, feeding on a variety of fruits and seeds. Their clever antics and constant movement bring a sense of joy and liveliness to the forest, making them a delight to observe for anyone lucky enough to spot them. Even the most common birds, like the blue-winged parakeet, can fill the forest with wonder. Their cheerful presence and vivid colors are a final, uplifting splash of life and beauty on our journey through these wild green landscapes. Our journey ends, but the beauty of India's birds endures as a vital part of its wild heritage. Each species is a masterpiece of adaptation, a sign of healthy ecosystems, and their future depends on us. Let their splendor inspire us to protect these treasures for generations to come. Thank you for joining me, SM. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the wonders of nature.